Namaste, I'm Nimit Patel, Event Director for ICS Independence Day.
Namaste, I am Parag Shah, Parade Director, ICS India Independence Day Parade.
We would like to welcome all of you to come and join us to celebrate 67th Independence Day of India.
On the eve of the 67th India Independence Day Parade, which will begin from Dunkin' Donuts parking lot on Bay Meadows Road, I invite all of you at 3 p.m. With the support of all the regional organizations, we are organizing this parade.
This will be followed by cultural performances at Lazara Hall at UNF. That will begin at around 6 p.m. and will end the day with dinner at around 9 p.m. This event is open and free to all, so please come and join us.
Come one, come all, we will have a grand celebration.
As you all know, India achieved its independence because of sacrifices and efforts of countless people from all walks of life. And keeping the same spirit, we at ICS also count on support and help from all the regional organizations. This year is no different, and we appreciate and welcome all the help that we can get.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We have some messages from our fellow organizations.
ജാക്സൺവില്ലെ എല്ലാ മലയാളി സുഹൃത്തുക്കളും ICSന്റെ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 17 ICS ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഇതിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത് വളരെയധികം വിജയകരമായി തീർക്കാൻ അപേക്ഷിക്കുന്നു.
नमस्कार मंडळी. 17 ऑगस्ट रोजी इंडियन कल्चरल सोसायटीतर्फे भारतीय स्वातंत्र्य दिनानिमित्त सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम आयोजित केलेला आहे. संध्याकाळी 6 वाजता आपण सर्वांनी या कार्यक्रमाला उपस्थित राहावे ही विनंती.
या निमित्ताने परेड 3 वाजता बेमेडोज डंकिन डोनटच्या इथून सुरू होणार आहे आणि 6 वाजता संध्याकाळी सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम आयोजित केलेला आहे. जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भारत.
నమస్కారం అండి. తెలుగు అసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ జాక్సన్విల్ ఏరియా తరపున వచ్చే నెల అంటే ఆగస్టు 17వ తారీఖున ఇండియన్ కల్చరల్ సొసైటీ వారు జరుపుతున్న స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలకి మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ఇండియన్ కల్చరల్ సొసైటీ వారు ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఈ వేడుకల్ని చాలా ఘనంగా నిర్వహిస్తారు. అలాగే ఈసారి కూడా ఘనంగా నిర్వహించబోతున్నారు. ఈ వేడుకల్లో మన తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరూ పాల్గొని వీటిని విజయవంతం చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాము. జై హింద్.
சுதந்திரம் இதற்கு பின்னால் இருக்கும் தியாகங்களுக்கு நன்றி கூறவும் தியாகிகளை நினைவு கூறவும் ICS ஏற்பாடு செய்திருக்கும் இந்தியாவின் 67வது சுதந்திர தின விழாவிற்கு உங்கள் அனைவரையும் வருக என ஜாக்சன்வில் தமிழ் மன்றத்தின் சார்பாக அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம். வந்தே மாதரம்.
নমস্কার, ফ্লোরিডা বাঙালি সংঘের তরফ থেকে আমি প্রবীর মণ্ডল আপনাদের সবাইকে 67তম স্বাধীনতা দিবস উপলক্ষে ICS এর এই অনুষ্ঠানে আপনাদের সবাইকে আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছি। এই দুপুরবেলায় আপনারা বেমিডোজ এবং সাউথ সাইডের ডাঙ্কিন ডোনাটসে এসে ওখানে প্যারেড হবে, তার জন্য জমায়েত হবেন এবং সন্ধ্যেবেলায় লাজারা হল UNF-এ আপনারা সবাই এসে অনুষ্ঠান উপভোগ করতে পারবেন। ধন্যবাদ।
I'm Anand Venkatesan from Indo-US Chamber of Commerce. We would like to invite all our friends, family for India's independence functions, cultural event conducted by ICS.
Hi, I'm Yashnath, Executive Committee Member at Indo-US Chamber of Commerce, welcoming all of you on this auspicious occasion of India's independence. The event will start right near Bay Meadows at near Dunkin' Donuts, and we are going to have a cultural event at UNF at 3 o'clock. So please come and join us for this great event.
Hello, I'm Vanita Matiwala, President of Jain Group of Jacksonville.
Hi, this is Dipali Shah, Vice President of Jacksonville Jain Group.
We are inviting you to join us with ICS and other organizations to celebrate Independence Day on August 17th.
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Jai Hind, Jai
Jinendra.